And I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with T and we throw it up.
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooklyn. If you don't know, if you already know, hey, welcome back. So today I am going to go get my nails and my toes done. So I will be recording that. I know my hair looks crazy. I'm gonna take a shower and then I'm gonna get out and do it because it's a hot mess. It is February 11th around 11:30 in the morning. So this will be get ready with me for Valentine's Day. I don't know if I'm doing anything, so we shall see. As of right now, I'm only making plans for my daughter. If I decide to go out, that'll be something, but hey, just to get ready with me. Okay, I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. I'm about to hop in the shower.
I know that you're drunk. Tell me what you want.
Hey guys, so I'm at my nail appointment, but I'm here a little early, so I'm just sitting outside for a few moments. But it is sunny. I'm sorry, y'all. I had like hurry up and got ready, and then I had to hurry up and get Gianna ready. She was like running around, so she kind of like pushed back the time a little bit. I didn't get to record like me actually after we were like ready and leaving and getting in the car. But yeah, I made it. I just wanted to make sure I was on time. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get in there.
Trying to let it go, trying to keep my eyes closed, trying to keep it just like before. Times when I never even thought to speak. Don't wanna tell you what it is. Oh wait, that's so serious. Got me thinking just so much. I wanna shut it out, but it's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. You did this one thing, it's so baby feeling. It's this one thing, it just it's this one thing that caught me slipping. It's this one thing I want to admit it. It's this one thing and I was so with it. It's this one thing, it just hey, we don't know each other well, so why I keep picking up myself. Memories just keep ringing bells. Hey, voices I don't wanna understand. My pockets are jiggling in my head. My hands are clicking towards the door. It's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. You did this one thing, it's so many feelings. It's this one thing, it's just it's this one thing that caught me slipping. It's this one thing I want to admit. It's this one thing and I was so with it. It's this one thing, it's just and baby I just keep believing.
Hey guys, so today is now February 12th. It's around 10:30 in the morning. So I came in yesterday and got Gianna situated and literally went to sleep. But these is what my nails look like. I have red bottoms, but they're so cute. She did her thing. The person who did my nails, her Facebook name is Taisha McCray. I will have her right here, and her Instagram is TashCreation._ I believe. It'll be right here on the screen as well. Make sure you go follow her YouTube channel. She is starting out with her YouTube channel. Go support, go show someone love, because that's my girl. But yeah, I took my ponytail off because my scalp was itching, so I need to like oil it, and then I'm probably gonna wash it tonight, blow dry it, and re-straighten it. I really didn't want to straighten my hair again, but we'll see what I do. My hair wasn't molded before. I just straightened my hair and just put it in a ponytail. This time I'm actually gonna slick it back so you know it looks neat or whatever for Valentine's Day. But I'm not doing anything today but cleaning. That's about it. Hey guys, so today is the day before Valentine's. It's like literally like 12 o'clock at night. So I am about to do my hair and we're gonna get my eyelashes together. I went and bought Gianna's stuff for Valentine's Day and like got it all set up. And it looks so cute. I'm gonna show you guys like after I'm done how it looks. But I'm just gonna speed this up. I'm not gonna talk while I do my hair because I don't have nothing to talk about. So yeah.
Blame it on the goose, got you feeling loose. Blame it on the drum, got you in the zone. Blame it on my alcohol. Blame it on my head. She said she usually don't, but I know that she front. It's all that know she want, but she don't want. Seem like she easy. I hear you saying what you won't do, but you know we probably gon' do what you gonna be that deep inside. Don't let it girl, what you drinking? Don't let it sink in. Here for the weekend, thinking we can see what we can be if we press fast forward. Just one more round and get down, I'm going. Feeling never come up, feeling on your butt. What you don't even care. I was unaware how fun you was before my bus said it. My bus said it. Blame it on the loose, got you feel loose. Blame it on the drum, got you in the zone. Blame it on my alcohol. Blame it on my alcohol. Blame it on the wine. Blame it on the Henny. Blame it on the blue tap, got you feeling dizzy. Blame it on my alcohol. Blame it on my oh, see, she spilled some drink on me, and now I'm knowing she tipsy. She put her body on me, and she keeps staring me right in my eyes.
Okay, so this is how the ponytail looks. I still have a lot of glue like left throughout the hair. That's gonna, you know how, but my arms are killing me. My arms are killing me, like stretching it and trying to hold it, and but I got some of it out. I still have to straighten it and everything, but I'm not worried about doing that tonight because I'm literally going to sleep, and I'm not about to worry about my edges or nothing because I'll do them tomorrow too. So this is what the ponytail is looking like. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna do it today, but I'm about to make me some TikTok. So go watch my TikTok. Well, I mean, go follow me on TikTok. But yeah, my ponytail looks cute. I definitely like how high it is this time. I think the last time I had it like a little low. You couldn't really see it from the front, but I'm liking it. All right, so see you guys on TikTok and see you guys tomorrow when I get ready.
Sat down, made an agreement, we vowed that we'd always be together, do whatever. We said that, no whatever, in between us, was love will never, ever leave us. That was a while ago. Now lately, it feels like, I feel like going to this fight every single night. Each time, can't get it right. I just wanna go back, take it way back, all the way back. Can we start again, do it over, string it out, and work it out. 'Cause I don't wanna be. I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna be alone. I don't wanna be. I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna be alone. Do you realize I can't sleep without you, think without you, eat without you, speak without you, be without you. I can't even breathe without you. I can't